Hi, I am Dr. Nivedita Dadu. I am a dermatologist at Skinology Skin Clinic, and the URL for Skinology is www.skinology.in. Today I will be discussing about the aging skin. Aging are changes that occur in your skin as you are growing old. These changes include sagging skin, wrinkles, graying of hair, expression lines, hollowing of cheeks and eyes, and changes that occur in your skin because of hormonal changes. There are factors that may aggravate the aging, and these include environmental factors, UV radiations, smoking, chemical exposure, hormonal changes, sleeping position, stress, and alcohol. Aging cannot be stopped, but it can be delayed. Using the right sunscreen is the single most effective way to prevent aging. Besides this, avoiding smoking, taking a healthy diet which is rich in fruits, vegetables, lean meat and fish, and food containing beta carotene and antioxidants rich in vitamin C and E also help delay aging. Moderate exercises like yoga increase the elasticity of the skin. Using the right skincare products containing alpha hydroxy acids, antioxidants that protect the skin from free radicals, hyaluronic acid, coenzyme Q10 and growth factors enhance the collagen production and decrease degradation of collagen, and hence increase the firmness and elasticity of the skin. There are various therapies that are available for anti-aging. These include chemical peels that exfoliate the damaged and dull skin, mesotherapy with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, Botox, which are injections given into the targeted muscles to reduce the frown lines and wrinkles, fillers that contain substances that are compatible with your body tissues, and these when injected reduce the hollowness of the tissues. Derma roller, which is an instrument which when rolled onto the skin triggers a healing cascade by stimulating collagen production. When this derma roller is done along with anti-aging serums, it enhances the results. There are some more therapies like a derma roller done with PRP. PRP is platelets that are derived from your blood. Your platelets are rich in growth factors, and when this is applied after derma roller, it penetrates through the tiny channels that the derma roller has created, and this enhances the results. Besides this, we do thread lift, which is a minimally invasive procedure wherein threads are placed in your skin in a meshwork to lift the sagging skin and boost collagen production. Lasers, which include radio frequency and high intensity focused ultrasound, are done for anti-aging. These lasers deliver controlled heating at desired depth to trigger the supporting structures, to tighten the supporting structures of face and improve the fine lines and wrinkles. For any further queries, you can log on to www.skinology.in or contact me directly or through Librate.